Everyone gets paid for tasks, and nobody is left out. So instead of sitting on your couch waiting for something good to happen, there's an app out there that pays you to complete simple tasks that take less than 30 seconds. You quickly download it and start completing those daily tasks, and the best part is, you don't have to put up any money or investment. Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Missing out on opportunities to make a little extra money? I wanted to let you know about one of my favorite apps that I use every day. It's called Curious Cat, and it pays me for completing simple tasks such as downloading apps and watching videos. You can actually download the app for free and start using it today. Curious Cat is a fun way to get paid for your opinion and earn extra cash in your free time. It has a wide range of interesting surveys, polls, and questionnaires. To be able to join the Curious Cat community, they request your phone number and email address. They also ask users to share their location so they can send location-based tasks. These are often the most highly paid and most interesting tasks. You can control whether and how long to share your location. You can also stop sharing your location at any time. However, my recommendation if you want to receive the most tasks and the most points is to always allow location access. There will be a wide range of possible tasks. You may be asked to take part in a survey or poll sometimes or install and use a particular app for a specified period of time. After completing the task, you'll have to wait for verification. After verification, you'll get the points. They do instant transfers to PayPal. You can withdraw your money in cash with just 100 points, which is roughly $1.30. This means you will be able to earn quickly from this app. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up. Comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.